Look what I found.
Why'd you buy more stuff?
Because it was cheap.
Yes, but look at all that we haven't dealt with.
Into the ether.
I can still see them. They didn't just disappear.
Sure they did.
Well, what about the stuff in the basement?
What about the basement?
Well, you took over Kiara's area and haven't dealt with it.
Me? It is called the Lazy Thrifter and Company.
Well, if you're gonna drag me into this, we might as well go downstairs and see what can be done.
All right, let's do that. All right, we're down here in the basement.
Well, look at this mess.
Well, we are in the middle of a renovation.
I guess the stuff had to go someplace.
Well, yeah, instead of yelling at me, why don't we do something about it?
That's an idea.
Well, then let's get to it.
Hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now.
In order to list the death pile, I must become the inventory. I am the inventory.
Right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess they let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. Best cause he could go on top.
Make sure to comment down below about your death pile and subscribe.
Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now.
Let's take a tour of the business area and see what we have accomplished. We did get our desk pile up off the floor. We had this shelf for a while, but we finally got it put together. And we finally utilized those totes that had been sitting around empty by putting our desk pile into the totes and kind of separating it by different things on whether it was electronics or whether it was something else. And we did make it a lot more manageable to get to the clothes and be able to at least list them for the time being, because we do have a whole stack of jeans and shirts that we need to list. But for the most part, we made it so it doesn't seem so overwhelming and it seems manageable now, so at least we can have a place to start.
Coming down here and dealing with the death pile was overwhelming. Now that it's done, I'm glad it is. We're able to get to the items we need to get to list them and get them out of our basement.
So we were doing all right with the business, and then unfortunately we both got sick with COVID. And getting sick, it just drained us of our energy. And even after we were out of quarantine, it seemed like we still had no energy for weeks.
Right after the holiday season, we got contacted by a family member.
They wanted to come in and finish our basement for us, which had been on our list to get done. Finishing the basement, it meant Kiara's area was now going to become the new business area. So we had to move all of her stuff out and move the business stuff over. So before we get into how we managed our death pile, please comment down below about your death pile and if you have any strategies on how to manage a death pile so we can help each other.
Our friend over at Daily Refinement really emphasizes the fact that you need to have a goal for your listing and try to meet that goal. So we are working at about 15 to 20 listings per week. We feel that that's kind of a good spot for us to start just to get our death pile going. And as you can see, Leslie is working hard at getting our 15. Thanks for watching the video. I look forward to hearing about your guys' struggles and maybe some advice that you have down below.